Tesla Cybertruck spotted on transport rig with crash test markings. An intriguing Tesla Cybertruck prototype was spotted yesterday by a follower of X-user branded Flash, who snapped multiple photos of the covered-up EV. In fact, there were two Cybertrucks on the Tesla-owned transport platform that was spotted in Lonoke, Arkansas. But while the one at the rear of the trailer looks similar to most of the recent prototype sightings, the pickup at the front of the rig had its nose covered with a white plastic wrap. What's interesting is the writing on the front driver's side quarter window, where somebody scribbled by hand the words "completed crash ready." At first glance, the car doesn't look like it's been in a crash of any kind. The front bumper in particular seems intact, but it's hard to tell what's really hiding behind the wrap. So could it be that the covered Cybertruck was heading toward one of the crash testing facilities on the East Coast? The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) has its Vehicle Research Center in Ruckersville, Virginia, about 13 hours away from where the all-electric pickups were spotted yesterday. While the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's NHTSA's Vehicle Research and Test Center (VRTC) is located in East Liberty, Ohio, which is about an 11-hour drive from Lonoke, Arkansas. However, the IIHS purchases the vehicles it tests just as a regular customer would, so seeing how Tesla's all-electric pickup isn't on sale yet. Although prospective customers can pre-order it on the company's website, it makes sense that the spotted unit would be heading to the NHTSA's facility. It's also worth noting that the NHTSA, which is part of the Department of Transportation, collaborates with multiple independent organizations across the country to perform testing. So even if the Cybertruck was heading for a beating by the Federal Institute, it might not be going to Ohio. In any case, it will be interesting to see how the angular truck performs in the crashworthiness tests, considering its upright front section, which doesn't look very friendly to pedestrians. But then again, neither does the Ford F-150 Lightning or the ICE-powered F-150 on which it's based, and that got an overall safety rating of 5 stars from the NHTSA. Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.